Yep, I do.
Make it a lot easier.
This is a J.
See, look already. See it pop loose.
These are J's. Here.
Thanks.
These are Jay's tire. He's going to take his chains off now. And here we are in the, oops. Bowie's standing in some snow here. But anyway, as you can see, there's nobody here. We're up here all by ourselves. They must have closed the road behind us or something. But this is what it looks like. And this is what the Donner Party experienced back in the 1800s. And this is us. This is the bird taking his chains off. Ah, here comes another truck. And this is a bird. This is what they call a bird cob job. This is how. Huh? Well, take them off. Let's go. Good. Yeah. There's the bird. This is the way we do it. And just in case nobody's ever seen this reporter in snow, I want to make sure and let you know that we've made it. We've made it. We've made it. We've made it. And we'll be back in Petaluma in, maybe an hour or two, but let's say goodbye to the Sierras. And here's, I don't know what's going on here, bird. Oh, you're just repositioning, huh?
Yep.
Okay.